Imagine waking up to the Adriatic half-frozen, London buried under 5 meters of snow, and winters that last for decades. Wild, right? Some say a new ice age is right around the corner. But is it really? Today, we'll unpack the science behind one of the most dramatic climate stories. Headlines often mention Earth's cyclic changes and the idea that an ice age is coming soon. There's real science behind those claims, Milankovitch cycles, but misinterpretation easily turns it into sensation. Let's see what the cycles actually say. Earth's orbit and motion aren't perfectly constant. 3 big cycles gently change how much solar energy we receive and where it's distributed. Eccentricity. The orbit becomes slightly more or less elliptical over approximately 100,000 years. Obliquity, tilt. The tilt of Earth's axis oscillates approximately 41,000 years, changing the strength of seasons. Precession, the axis wobbles like a spinning top, approximately 19 to 23,000 years, shifting which hemisphere gets stronger summers. These changes are small by themselves, but they can trigger major climate transitions, ice ages and interglacials through feedbacks, ice albedo, greenhouse gases, oceans. How do we know? From Antarctic and Greenland ice cores and from marine sediments. They're time machines. Tiny air bubbles measure CO2 and temperature hundreds of thousands of years back. The pattern is clear: glacial, abrupt warming, long warm, interglacial, and repeat. The last glacial maximum was approximately 20,000 years ago. Today, we're in the interglacial that followed. Myth. The cycles mean an ice age is coming soon. Fact, the cycles are slow. Under normal conditions, the next major glaciation would be in tens of thousands of years, not this century. Myth. Humans can't affect giant natural cycles. Fact, natural cycles set the rhythm, but industrial-era greenhouse gases significantly change the balance. Most studies show elevated CO2 can delay a future ice age. What would a real future ice age look like whenever it might happen? Ice sheets would expand over centuries. Sea level would drop by over 100 meters. Climates would become drier in many regions, and mass migrations would be unavoidable. But this unfolds extremely slowly on human timescales. For our lifetimes, the bigger questions are managing the changes over the next decades: energy, adaptation, resilient cities, innovation. Milankovitch cycles are the grand metronome of climate. They explain how Earth has entered ice ages, but they don't predict a dramatic cold snap tomorrow. In the near future, the main scenario is shaped by us. If you enjoyed this myth-busting, hit subscribe and tell me, which cosmic mystery should we unpack next?